Are you ready to get your career in gear? Come build trucks with us. Our employees enjoyed a variety of perks, but don't take my word for it.
I love the people here, I love the opportunities we get, and just the company in general is a really great place to be.
I went from working in retail sales to being in a trade. They really made that enjoyable for me.
I really like that it's family oriented. Open house where we get to bring all the trucks up, bring your family, show the kids.
I like working at LDV because I'm presented with different opportunities. I started here working in detail and now I'm the quality assurance coordinator.
One of the perks for working at LDV is taking advantage of any of the employee discounts that they offer through any of the Lynch dealerships.
I like seeing the process start to finish. The project comes through and we put some really cool stuff into the trucks.
Working with my crews and working with different crews, getting to learn new stuff every day.
I enjoy working with my hands and also being able to bring different ideas to the table when necessary.
One of the things I like best about working at LDV is how family oriented it is. I've never had to miss a school play, kids field trip. You know, it's never been an issue going and picking them up, bringing them home.
And then I like the fact that we're able to move up into different departments after a certain amount of time.
We have a great group of employees, and I also enjoy building all the trucks.
Are you ready to jumpstart your career? Visit the LDV Jobs page at ldvjobs.com to browse our current openings.